Recognition. Recognition means पहचान. Recognition means पहचान. Sudden. Sudden means अचानक. Sudden means अचानक. Glow. Glow means चमक. Glow means चमक. Explained. Explained means व्याख्या करना. Explained means व्याख्या करना. Cheek. Cheek means गाल. Cheek means गाल. Often. Often means अक्सर. Often means अक्सर. Made feel. Made feel means अनुभव कराया. Made feel means अनुभव कराया. Perhaps. Perhaps means शायद. Perhaps means शायद. As. As means समान. As means समान. Characters. Characters means चरित्र. Characters means चरित्र. Moral. Moral means नीति. Moral means नीति या उपदेश. Significance. Significance means महत्व. Significance means महत्व. Silly. Silly means नटखट. Silly means नटखट. Young. Young means युवा. Young means युवा. Accustomed. Accustomed means अभ्यस्त. Accustomed means अभ्यस्त. Began. Began means शुरू किया. Began means शुरू किया. Complain. Complain means शिकायत. Complain means शिकायत. At home. At home means घर पर. At home means घर पर. Empty. Empty means खाली. Empty means खाली. Ground. Ground means मैदान. Ground means मैदान. Become. Become means होना. Become means होना. Famine. Famine means अकाल. Famine means अकाल. Trembling. Trembling means कांपना. Trembling means कांपना. Cold. Cold means ठंडा. Cold means ठंडा. Miserly. Miserly means कंजूस. Miserly means कंजूस. If. If means अगर. If means अगर. Shelter. Shelter means आश्रय. Shelter means आश्रय. Sorrow. Sorrow means दुख. Sorrow means दुख. Servant. Servant means नौकर. Servant means नौकर. Land. Land means उधार देना. Land means उधार देना. Dear. Dear means प्यारा. Dear means प्यारा. Weather. Weather means मौसम. Weather means मौसम. That. That means की. That means की. Then. Then means तब. Then means तब. Nature. Nature means प्रकृति. Nature means प्रकृति. दस. दस means इस तरह. दस means इस तरह. Ending. Ending means अंत. Ending means अंत. Thanks for full watch my video.